Today we are making energy balls, chocolate chip energy balls. To start, we need 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. To that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm using natural creamy peanut butter. You do not have to use natural. We're adding a 1/2 cup of ground flaxseed, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet. You can always use mini chocolate chips. We're gonna add a 1/3 cup of honey. I'm using raw honey today. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These are optional. Some people have gut issues with seeds, but I'm adding them. We need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, I'm adding a pinch of salt. Then we are just going to give that all a stir. And then I forgot, I am going to add a dash of cinnamon. This is completely optional. These are good with cinnamon and without cinnamon. I'll leave it up to you. So just stir that all together. Don't worry about over mixing. Just make sure everything is well incorporated. It's all one homogeneous mixture. Once you have that all mixed together, we're gonna stick our bowl in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then once your 30 minutes are up, I got a vessel out for me to put my energy balls in. I just have an 8x8 baking pan here. And then I have a cookie scoop to help get me uniform size energy balls, and our recipe says to make them about 1 inch in diameter. So I use my cookie scoop to scoop out our energy mix, and then at first I tried giving it a roll in my hands, and that it made it kind of disintegrate while I was doing that. So give it a squish in your hand a couple times and then form it into a nice round ball, and then just do that for the rest of your mixture. So my batch with my size energy balls gave me 20 energy balls, and you can go ahead and eat these right away. So I found these to be quite sweet. Next time I would only do about a 1/4 cup of honey, but they're nice and chewy. That pinch of salt is also great. It just gives it that little edge and it makes the flavors pop. Now, after a few hours, these will hold together a little more as the oatmeal kind of absorbs any moisture that's in there. It'll just kind of bind it all together. The chocolate chips do get pretty hard because you're gonna store these in the fridge, and as they get cold, they get harder. And so next time I make these, I would rather have the mini chocolate chips so it's not as hard on my teeth. Additionally, if you are using normal peanut butter, I would use less honey. So with natural peanut butter, unsweetened, I would only use a 1/4 cup of honey. If I were using already sweetened peanut butter, I may add about 2 tablespoons of honey, but there's a chance that I would completely leave it out. So this is not the only variation of energy balls out there. This is not the only recipe for chocolate chip energy balls. If you guys have a favorite energy ball variation, leave me a comment and let me know what ingredients you like to have in yours. And if you liked this video, go ahead and click here right on screen and check out another one of my videos, and I will see you guys there.